Gantry, and sitting alongside me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And we're fully convinced this game will live up to its billing. Stuart, tell us about your pre-match thoughts.
Well, this should be interesting today. I like the makeup of both teams. They really do have a good balance of attacking and defensive qualities. But the team that has the greater desire will probably come out on top.
Olise, Vitor Ferreira. Now with Yamal. Fernandes. Plenty of options. They do pass the ball with authority. Well, they couldn't keep that sequence going, unfortunately. Rivaldo. Well, good run. Can he put it in? Pivotal moment defensively. Vitor Ferreira. And the pass was just that little bit off. Nearly found its target. Cherki. Casemiro. Edson Alvarez. It's with Rivaldo. Referee deciding to give the free kick. Well read to ease the pressure. Fine run from Mbappe. Oh, he's through here. In it goes. The opening goal in this contest. So underway again here. 1-0 the score. Ryan Cherki. Here's Robertson. Rivaldo. Can they chisel out another goal? Casemiro. Ryan Cherki. Rivaldo. Oh, the challenge was spot on. Well, they lost custody of it. Well, very close to half-time now, and it's a narrow lead for the home side. Stuart, how would you assess what you've seen?
Well, I think they've been the better side in this first half. They've defended well, they've looked dangerous in attack, and they've controlled the midfield. It's been a solid performance so far.
Ferreira. Now with Olise. The defenders know you can't really allow space like that. Can he put it away? And a goal! They've added to the lead. Much-needed security.
Well, as you can see, this is absolutely brilliant. He's such a good runner with the ball, and it's a great individual goal. Brilliant from him.
Just 1 minute of stoppage time, say the officials. And there it is, the half-time whistle. And away they go again, into the second half. Andrew Robertson. Rivaldo. Edson Alvarez. And on to Marquez. Andrew Robertson. Rivaldo. Michael Olise. On to Yamal. Casemiro. Andrew Robertson. And credit due, a good intervention. Well, we're into the final half hour. And it's fallen for Ronaldo. Well, now they have possession. And getting across to stop it. Here it is now, a substitution. Pedri. so close in the end, and from such a long way out.
Yeah, you're right, Derek. From there, that was a really good effort.
And with play stopped, they will make the change now. Andrew Robertson. Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now. Kylian Mbappe. Michael Olise. Now with Yamal. Pedri. Kylian Mbappe. Oh, surely. Well, promised much, but delivered little in the final analysis.
Well, you can see what he was trying to do.